Someone asked me, do you think that a service design portfolio can look good when it's made with Notion instead of a proper website? Yes, obviously, because the form of the portfolio doesn't matter so much for service design work than it does for graphic design or UI work. In fact, service design portfolios are more about the content than the visuals. And when I say content, it means understanding what the project was like, understanding what the challenges were, understanding what you learned from it, and seeing how you use the methods. So if you want to create a service design portfolio and you like working in Notion, sure, make one in Notion. But if you like other tools, just build them in other tools. It can just be a good old PDF. It doesn't matter so much. What matters is that it shows what really happened in the project instead of being something beautiful without much content.